Alright, this piece is pretty close to square. Measured it out so that we just have to bend up a little bit. And we'll probably use the whole piece. So no cutting, just a little bit of bending. So, set up. Get your handy dandy anvil. Clear everything out of the way. I'd be ashamed to crush things. Right there, there's my mark. Handy dandy cross peen hammer. Put a little notch in it so it'll bend. That folds right on the notch. Little curly cute things to take out, but yeah, we can do something with that. I don't know if it did anything, but vice grips might help. There we go. All we really have to do is get this out of the way. Bend it in a little. Can't break it off. Yep, that's come. Call the hammering to loosen this up. Oh yeah, the screws come right off. Beautiful, sort of. A little bit of prying left, but that's not too bad. One last screw there to and then we're done. Put that out of the way so we don't drive over it. Try the same thing with this. Well, not going so easy, but we'll just bend this one in. There we go. So we have our notch there, and I'm going to see if we can fold this right in.